We'll create next file loop1.js. Loop1.js. Inside loop1.js, write the comment syntax for loop. You can say for where I equal to, or you can write here initialization initialization. Next we have called condition. Next we have called plus plus or minus minus. Statement will come here. Okay, next after this, write the example for where I equal to 1, I less than suppose 10, I plus plus. Plus plus is called a increment operator. Plus plus minus minus increment and decrement. If we do plus plus increment by 1, minus minus decrement by 1. Okay, so the counter I what you have written, the initial value is 1 and the condition is still 10. So we are saying the compiler, there is a variable called I, their initial value is 1, starting is 1, and it's the target is still 10. Then since the number is starting from counter is starting from the low number and it has to go till where? High number. So in that case, what will happen? Increment has to be done. 1 to 10 it has to be. Starting is 1 and it has to go till 10. It has to increase. Then on it will go to 10. When you are saying yes, it has to increase, then by how much you want to increase? By 1, then do plus plus. If you want to increment by 2, then you do I equal to I plus 2. Right? If you want to increase by 3, I equal to I plus 3. The variable equal to variable plus 3. Okay. So here in this example, you are writing increment by how much? 1. So go there, console.log, print there the counter is I. The counter is I. If you run it, it will give you successfully 1 to 10. 1 to 9 it will come. Where to where? Yes, 1 to 9 is 1. You can say node space loop 1. Counter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In between, we can also terminate. After reaching 5, we can terminate it. After reaching 6, we can terminate it. Go ahead. So this becomes a ascending order loop. Write next console.log. Loop in descending order slash n loop in descending order slash n Okay, next go ahead. Write another for loop. Variable I equal to 10. I greater than equal to 1. Then you have to do from here as a minus minus. Console.log For loop says comma I. For loop say comma I. Happening where 10 to 1. Next one more we can write here. We can increment by 2, we can increment by 3, your base. Write one more for loop. Start from 1. I less than equal to 20. I equal to I plus I equal to I plus 2. So it will increment by 2. Increment by 2. Check now. 1 to 20 it will go. Yes, since you are starting from 1, so 1 plus 2 will become how much? 3. See here. First, the value of I is how much? 1. 1 plus 2, I equal to I plus 2, so it will become the 3. Next time, the value of I is 3. 3 plus 2 will be as a 5. Next time, the value of I, 5 will get replaced by 5 plus 2, 7. So here is the output. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Correct? If you start from 2, it will give you all the even number. If you start from 2, it will give you all the even number. Hope you are getting all the even numbers 2 to 20. You can go for the next file, that is loop2.js for the while loop. Next file we can create loop2.js is a while loop. Loop2.js. This is called multi-line comment. Inside this, we can write syntax for while loop. Syntax is like this. First, we have to do initialization. After initialization, we have to write the while. Inside the while, condition will come. After that, after condition, a statement will come. After a statement, plus plus or minus minus, depend on requirement. Come down, write a variable I equal to maybe 10 for initialization. Write a condition called while I less than equal to 20, Then come inside console.log while say I. If you leave till here, it will go under the infinite loop. You have to write here I plus plus increment by 1. JavaScript basic syntax. Running loop2.js file. 10 to 20. Console.log while loop in descending order. Create a variable again. I equal to 20 while I greater than equal to I greater than equal to 1 console.log while say I save it. Running. It's running. See, you have started from where? 20. You are checking I greater than 1. Yes, 1. But are you doing anywhere minus minus? It's becoming infinite. It will never end. Till the system and battery and life is over, it will be keep on going. We can go here and we can write here call I minus minus. You have to do control C 2 times. Control C you press, it will get a stop. Control C you can press, it will get a stop. Okay, next after that, come down, write in the same another condition, a variable I equal to 100, while I less than equal to less than 10, then I plus plus console.log the while is dollar I plus plus. What should be the output here? Will it print anything? 100 is not like that is called as a condition. While loop will say first satisfy the condition, then print the statement. Okay, while loop. So now in this case we have given I equal to 100 and we are writing I is the less than 10. So it is not less than 10. It is already how much? 100. So in this case it will not allow to go next. In this case it will not allow to go next. Okay, in this case it will not allow to go next. And it will not print anything because condition is not going to satisfy. At same place, if do while will come, okay, if same place, if the do while will come, do while will say, okay, let's print once. So you check, is it printing anything or not? It should not print anything. It should not print anything. Nothing? Yes, definitely it will not print. Nothing. Okay. Next, after that, below to that, we'll use one do while. Console.log the do while a variable I equal to variable I equal to if 100 only do console dot log do say I plus plus do say I plus plus now come down below. Look, see around here. Okay, okay. Yeah, we have some. Mhm. We have a business unit where we have development work. So we have pure 8-9 resources now. They have less work actually. So they have close to 2 year experience. Okay, yeah. So we are planning to outsource that if any client has requirement. Hmm. They can go to your place. We are planning to keep on our payroll as of now. They can work in your office, maybe whichever the model is. So discussion is going on for your career only. Some companies are there, they want to hire bulk people. Uh, uh-huh. HTML CSS. See, bringing the genuine company and giving the people and converting the degree into offer is a difficult work. Understand or not? Like as of now, what you have a degree in your hand. Degree only, no? Degree has to convert into offer letters. For that, a lot of effort is required. Correct. In background, so many diplomacy we have to play with the company. We need to speak something else, deliver something else. Speak something else and deliver also something else. Very nice. There's many things are matter. When call come from somewhere, everyone cannot capture them. Yes, what we have in background we don't know, but we need to capture them first, right? Once we capture them, bring in front of you, then what will happen is they will look into the 20 people. Out of 20, at least 2 will be meaningful for them. Out of 22 got no, remaining how many? 18 only. For next 18 will bring someone else. In this 18, they will compare who is the best. Again, 2 will go out. Remaining 16, again next will come. He will search in this 16 who is the best. So this is the process. Don't worry. opportunity will come. Okay, so let's go here, right there. What will write? Var I greater than equal to 20. Okay, I greater than equal to 20. So what will happen in this case? I is how much? 100. Console.log do while say I. Okay, now after that I greater than equal to 20. So this loop is going to work or not? So here condition is true or false? I greater than equal to 20? No. I were greater than 20. I is 100. Here this is how much? 20. So what will happen? This loop should run or not? Hmm? चेक कर लो ना. What should happen in that? I if I greater than 20, I minus. So this line is okay. Problem is here. It should be minus minus. Okay, so coming from where? Starting from 100 and stop till 20. Now let's keep this one as a 200. What should happen in that? I greater than equal to 200. Anything print or not? Will it print anything? It will print once. See here. See how what is saying? Do says how much? 100. So minimum execution happen how many times? One time. Right? Minimum execution happen one time. Right? Next after that, come to the next example. Working or not working? So what will be the difference of while loop and do while? While loop, first it will check the condition. While loop, first it will check the condition. While loop, first it will check the condition, then execution will happen. Do while what it will do? First it will do the execution itself. Which one? Do while, first it will do the execution and after that condition. Okay. While loop, first condition and then execution, right? Because of that here The I is how much? 100. I is 100. And here condition is how much? I is greater than 200. No, never. But at least it is printing how much? You can see here. It's printing here for 100. Reason is when it came from beginning, till here it was without condition. So when it came from beginning, it says like first do that and then go for the condition. First do that and then go for the condition. Okay. Right. So while doing that, they printed 100. When they gone for the condition, come to know when it's gone for the condition, then it's come to know, oh, condition is false. By then 100 was printed. Because of that, you see here, it is printing by default how much? 100. Okay? But people will not ask you difference in market as of now because there is a lot of meaningful questions are available. Okay? Meaningful questions are available. So for this, people will not come. Okay. Go next now. What we have next? Next we have this one called a map and for each. It is called a list function. Map for each both are called a list function. What it will do? If you have the data inside the array, it will read the array and it will display the data whatever you want, however you want. Okay. So first we'll come down and we will implement this line called as a single dimensional array. After implementing single dimensional array, we will use the for loop, while loop, do while, all the way we'll go through and then we'll come here, call as a map. And then we'll compare, okay, what is the difference when we are writing the for loop and what will be the difference when we write the for each or map function. Okay. For map function, we are going to use under the React every time. Okay, so create next file, give the file name called array1.js. Array1.js. Okay, come next file is array1.js. 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 Come down. Create a variable called item equal to use a square bracket. This is one syntax of writing the array. This is another syntax of writing the array. So in JavaScript, we can create the array using how many methods? Two methods. Of written come in the first array. If here item, apple, mango, banana, orange, grapes. Second array also we can write Ganesh, Mohit, Raju, Ajit, Madhu. Okay. Right after that, console.log total items, item dot length, total users, user dot length, total items, item dot length, total user, user dot length. Check now, length is coming or not. Array 1.js, both the place 5 and 5. Both place we have 5 users. Now come down, write a comment here. The structure of array, how it is. Array name, index, their element. Array name, their index, and then their element. So array name is item, position will be 0 index, and the value will be apple. Next will be called 1. Value element will be called mango. 2. Banana. 3. Orange. 4. Grapes. Copy paste happened. No, this is mine is not but plus plus. पता नहीं चेक करो कुछ होगा सबका. Okay, so this will be the structure of your array. inside the item is a one variable. It is holding total 5 values. So how the system will arrange? System will convert into array format. System will keep a position of each element, and for each position the value will be stored. Now if you want to access any element, any value we can access by position. Array name of position, it will give us the element. Okay, hope ready. Now come down below, print the elements of the array. So you can see inside the item of 0 position, the first element is stored, that is called apple. Total 5 values we have, 5 elements we have. Last value is called grapes. It's available on 4th position. Okay, reason it is starting from where? 0. So length minus 1 will be the last value. Okay, last value will be where? Length minus 1 position. Length minus 1 position will be the last value. Correct. Next, after that, come and check once. Console.log item of 0, console.log item of 1. Apple and mango. Apple and mango. 0, 1, 2, 3 become as a index, and then mango, banana, orange become as a element. That technical word you have. Huh? Which one is? 4. 4 how undefined will come. There are 5 elements, no? 4th will come. How many are? 3 are. If you have 4 total, then use 3. If you have 5, then call 4. Okay, then we'll play around the array tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the next array related array map for each. Multiple way of maps we have, we can write. For each also we can write into 3 ways.